Hello, today we are going to talk about the superlatives. Superlatives is used when you have to select one of them in a group. Could be the lower of the upper in a group of objects. You have four rules to do that. Rule number one is where's the one syllable, you use est at the end of the adjective. For example, tall, tallest, and big, biggest. Rule number two, when the adjective end in y, you change that y and you add iest. And heaviest, heaviest. Rule number three is when you have as adjective who has more than three syllables, you put before the adjective the word must. And rule number four, when you have an irregular adjective, for example, good, the superlative is best, and another example, for example, bad, the superlative is worst. The most common frequency adverbs are always, never, often, usually, and sometimes. And we use a frequency of verbs in simple present if a sentence has only one verb place. You place the adverb of frequency in the middle of a sentence, so that is positioned after the subject but before the verb, and we use the adverb of frequency with present continuous, okay, to describe events that are regular but not planned, and often. For example, my wife, she always threw things out. That is an example. And I think I told everything. Thank you.